Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today is Neighborhood Day. I'm here today at the Bellini Cafe, right in my neighborhood. There's been a lot of inquiry about this cafe. Just recently opened, formerly called the Country Cafe. If you're in the neighborhood and had breakfast here when it was the Country Cafe, food was not that great. So it is now redone. All the grandma stuff are pretty much eliminated. There was a booth throughout the restaurant, actually, and the wall that I'm looking at right now. As it is right now, the way they have reconstructed the layout, it's more contemporary. Now, the menu is a Greek-Italian menu with no fewer than 53 items in there, plus desserts. They do not have the alcoholic beverages in the restaurant itself, but next door you have the Bounty Tavern. So I was able to get a glass of wine on a separate tab from the tavern. So my friends, before I take a sip, as usual, you get the first sip. May I say cheers? Cheers to your health. I'm gonna give let's see what's in the menu today. I think I'm having the copper salmon pizza. That will work both for an evening, early evening dinner. Did my run yesterday, about 5.5 miles, burned me over 500 calories. I figured today I can treat myself. And in worst case scenario, I'll be out doing a bike ride. So, again, before I take a sip, you get a first sip. Cheers. This is strictly for neighborhood information. The Bounty / Bellini Cafe is located in the corner of Cactus and Rainbow. Still an area that's in the development process, but neighborhood nonetheless. Now I'm giving this a shot because pretty soon I will be leaving this neighborhood off to Florida. Orlando, Florida. My new chapter will then start. But I just thought I'd share with you around just in case. As I mentioned before, there was inquiry. So, as I mentioned, the menu consists of about 53, no fewer than 53 items. Starting with appetizer, artichoke dip, fried calamari, bruschetta, bites called the Bellini fries, charcuterie, meatballs, you name it, and finger foods, wings 5 ways, salad on their menu, tabbouleh, etc., soup and sandwiches, including hero. Don't say gyro, by the way. Burgers, pizza pie, and such alike. Pasta, entree from steak to lamb chops. So a wide variety of selection at this restaurant. So, as good neighbors, I have not tried my pizza yet, but it's I would recommend as a good neighbor, check it out. Check out the Bellini Cafe. here in the corner of Texas, of Cactus and Rainbow. Okay, my friends, as you can see, I have a mega smoked salmon pizza with arugula and red onions. Oh man, I'm telling you, there's no way that I'll be able to finish this up. But this is my my cheat day. Maybe I'll have a slice or two and call it a day. But like I said before, this cafe is just opened up, and as a good neighbor, I am here to patronize them. And so, my friends, I'm so glad you could come along with me. Before I take a bite, let's get this up. As usual, you get the first bite. Yummy. Now, that's a pizza. The other thing was mentioned, service is prompt, very fast. And there's nothing that I enjoy more than good service. Of course, my line of work, or was my line of work, a new chapter has begun. Who knows what's going to happen next? But nevertheless, this is my path. A road to good food and good service. Today is a cheat day. Did I say that? Okay, my friends, as I mentioned earlier, I am splurging today. So I've decided to go all the way. I've decided to have a latte, some baklava, even though it's honey, some vanilla ice cream. I probably skip the ice cream, but I'll have the baklava. Nice presentation. That's their baklava tray. And the coffee, as I mentioned, is Lavazza. So I would say overall, really not bad at all. Nice neighborhood digs. But before I take a bite, as usual. Let's dig in. The other thing I found out, which I like to the other tidbits I found out about the ownership of this place. They also own one of the owner actually, it was told, owned the Sultan Grill in downtown Summerlin, with another downtown Las Vegas, Sultan Grill. So the quality appears to have some roots, pretty good quality from what I can tell. My pizza, I only had 2 slices. That's all I could handle for the day. I was gonna have dessert, so that's the only amount of calories I will allow myself to have for today. But like I said, it was a very good experience. The service is fast, and the food is good here at Bellini. So let's do a little bit of let's dig in here. So my friends, as usual, you get the first bite. Yummy. Yummy. It was well worth the trip for me. And I'm glad you could join me. Okay, my friends, so this is where I wrap it up. I did finish dessert, and I'll show you my plate. I vouched not to have the ice cream. I know I'll pay the price later on because I have some allergy issue. My coffee, my latte was made with almond milk, but I had no choice with the dessert. I could have skipped the ice cream, but what the heck? I'll just pay the price later. So, just a little more information here in this restaurant. They do serve breakfast. They open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. So again, this is a courtesy of the neighborhood. I just thought I'd give you a little bit of insight. My friends, until then, the music is a little bit loud in the background, so I'm gonna find a way to drown it out later on. What you probably will find is that the music used in my in my music truck may be a little bit louder than my voice because I have to drown out the background music here. But in an event, thanks for coming along with me to the Bellini Cafe, my neighborhood cafe. Again, this is located in the Mountain's Edge area, corner of Cactus and Rainbow. From my location, it's actually walking distance. When I do my 5 miles walk, alternately riding, this is one of the paths that I took, so I have to pass this restaurant. So, again, thank you, my friends. Just one more thing. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Very important. Until then, this is Jamaican and Move saying one love. Peace. Love you, my friends.